My name is Dan Krahl. I live here in Rockford, Illinois with my wife and 3 kids. We moved out here back in 2019. When we moved in, we found being in a more rural environment, a lot of our utilities and things like that ran off of electric. So when we got our first electric bill, we were surprised to see it was almost $250, so about double what we had been paying previously. So we started looking at some opportunities to lower our costs. In doing some research, we landed on looking at solar panels when we started understanding what incentives were made available through the federal government as well as the state. After interviewing and meeting with a number of different companies, getting some quotes, we landed on Stateline. So their costs, their response time, just how they followed up and interacted with us just felt really comfortable. So we decided to move forward with them. After we got everything installed, we noticed our bill went from $200 to $250 a month to about $14 a month. So we've been fortunate to be able to lower our monthly expenses with the ComEd bill, and then also they offered some, I guess, unique financing opportunities where our total cost is made much lower than what we were originally paying for our monthly electric bill. The experience, everybody we worked with, the installers, Ryan from sales, was a great interaction. We had no concerns. Inspectors came out, everything was great. Had no issues, and we've been really happy with the decision that we made.